In a world where mid-range phones often struggle to strike a balance between affordability and performance, OnePlus Nord 5 steps up to rewrite the rules. With flagship-grade features at a surprisingly competitive price, this device brings power, style, and intelligence to the hands of everyday users, without breaking the bank. Let's begin with what catches your eye first, the display. The OnePlus Nord 5 features a stunning 6.83-inch flat OLED panel that brings content to life, with rich contrast and true-to-life colors. Whether you're gaming, binge-watching, or scrolling through social feeds, the ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate ensures a fluid and immersive experience. Paired with a crisp 1.5K resolution, this screen is built for clarity and speed, making every swipe and tap feel snappy and responsive. Under the hood, the Nord 5 gets a massive performance boost with the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, a flagship-level chipset that handles everything from multitasking to gaming with ease. Whether it's high-end 3D games or heavy-duty apps, the Nord 5 offers smooth, efficient, and thermally optimized performance, thanks to the latest architecture and power management enhancements. Now let's talk camera setup. The OnePlus Nord 5 doesn't just deliver decent shots, it brings serious imaging power. At the heart of its rear camera array is a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, which means better low-light shots and blur-free photos even when you're in motion. It's supported by an 8MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or group photos. On the front, there's a 16MP selfie camera, optimized with AI enhancements to make your selfies look studio-ready every time. Powering this device is a robust 6,700 mAh battery, an absolute standout in its category. You can easily get through 2 full days of moderate use without reaching for the charger. And when you do need a top-up, the 100W Super VOOC fast charging gets you from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes. That's faster than most flagship phones today and eliminates battery anxiety for good. Design-wise, the OnePlus Nord 5 continues the brand's tradition of elegance with minimalism. It sports a slim profile with a glass back that feels premium in the hand. And for the first time on a Nord device, OnePlus introduces the Plus Key, a customizable shortcut button that uses AI to launch your favorite apps or automate routines, like turning on Do Not Disturb during meetings or launching the camera in Pro mode. You'll also find an IR blaster, transforming the phone into a smart remote for your TV, AC, and more. A highly underrated but incredibly practical feature. Software-wise, the OnePlus Nord 5 runs on Android 15, led with OxygenOS 15, a UI known for its speed, fluidity, and clutter-free experience. What's new this year? Deep AI-powered features that make everyday usage smarter. From automatic photo categorization and smart scheduling to voice-driven commands and real-time translation, OxygenOS continues to evolve with the user in mind. The OnePlus Nord 5 is more than just a mid-range phone, it's a statement. It proves that you don't need to spend flagship money to enjoy flagship-level power, premium design, and smart features. With a gorgeous 144Hz OLED display, Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, 6,700 mAh battery, and next-gen software, it delivers beyond expectations in every category. Whether you're a power user, a camera lover, or just someone who wants solid value, the OnePlus Nord 5 is designed with you in mind. It's not just smart. It's Nord smart.